The topic of today's video is how to fix Nvidia screen tearing issues. So what we're going to do is switch on vsync using the Nvidia control panel, and that will match up our frame rate with our monitor's refresh rate. If yours is at 60 Hz, then keep in mind you will be locked at 60 FPS. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we want to go down here and we'll click on search and search for Nvidia control panel. And once you have it, you can just click on that. Alright, so now we want to go to Manage 3D Settings, second from the top. And you can adjust the global settings, but I'd prefer you go to Program Setting and adjust the individual application. So let's go to Add, and then just find the offending app. So let's say it's WWE 2K24. And what we want to do is scroll down until we find Vertical Sync. And there it is. And what we're going to do is switch this to on. Please make sure to read the description at the bottom here under typical usage scenarios, because this can cause input latency. Not always, but it can cause. So you want to switch that to on. If you have a GPU that's capable of it and a monitor that's capable of it, you can set it to adaptive. You'll know if you can do this with your GPU because when you click apply, you will get an error. So if you do get that error, just switch it to on instead and then click apply. And then go into your game, see if it fixes up the screen tearing issues. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.